To control your iPhone with your eyes, you will need to use a feature called Switch Control, which is part of the iPhone's accessibility settings. This feature allows you to use your device's camera to track your eye movements and control your iPhone. First, go to your iPhone's settings and select Accessibility. Then select Switch Control. Turn on Switch Control and select Camera. This will allow your iPhone to use the camera to track your eye movements. Next, you will need to set up a scanning method. This can be done by selecting the scanning option and choosing how you want to scan through items. On your screen, you can choose to scan automatically or manually, depending on your preference. Once you have set up Switch Control, you can use your eyes to navigate through your iPhone. To do this, look at the item you want to select, and your iPhone will automatically highlight it. If you continue to look at the item, your iPhone will select it after a short period of time. You can also use Switch Control to perform other actions, such as scrolling through a web page or typing a message. To do this, look at the action you want to perform, and your iPhone will automatically complete it. It is worth noting that Switch Control can take some time to get used to, so be patient and practice using it regularly. It is also a good idea to adjust the scanning speed and timing to suit your needs. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can learn to control your iPhone with your eyes, giving you more flexibility and independence when using your device. This feature can be especially useful for people with disabilities, but it can also be used by anyone who wants to try a new way of interacting with their iPhone.